Hello there. Welcome to Narissah Beaconsfield, where we interview individuals from all around the world, from all different walks of life. This is a platform where we have like-minded individuals gather, network, collaborate, and where you'll be able to really follow their calling and their mission in life with having others like-minded individuals who have gone through that process. You'll be able to understand what it means to really walk that talk and have that higher mind, higher ways of thinking, feeling, and doing, as we are unboxing God in many levels and many layers, and really coming out of that traditional aspect and really going into that, out of that status quo. We'll go into different levels of the mind, body, and soul, and that you'll be able to understand the different levels of the interdimensional within the reality that we live in, that many people see as the matrix in this simulation process, and that stability while walking their spiritual growth, where we bring in higher consciousness onto the planet so that others don't feel alone, and you are in this gathering of like-minded individuals, a starseed, old soul, that we're able to really learn from another and grow. Comment, share, and subscribe, especially subscribe so you don't miss an uploaded video and interviews that I'll be posting only twice a month. And yeah, see you soon.